Are you responsible for the digital workplace in your corporation? Then you might know the situation. There are numerous add-ins for Microsoft Office. For example, a email signature solution in Outlook, or a template solution in Word, or a PowerPoint add-in for charting. The problem is not only that you have to distribute all these add-ins, you have to regularly provide updates, you have to run the support, you have to manage the contracts, you have to count the licenses, and you have multiple contact persons to speak to. Does that sound familiar? Then welcome to the reality of many IT departments. And you wanted to shape the future and not only manage the status quo, right? And this is exactly why we've developed Empower. Empower is a comprehensive add-in suite for Microsoft 365. So it combines numerous features of different solutions all in one suite. Your advantages? One add-in, one contract, one contact person. So Empower isn't just another tool. It's the one that turns add-in chaos into clarity. And you have more time for the important things.